Today we're going to try finding the source of this noise. There could be a few sources of this sound, one being wheel bearing, one being tires, or maybe even my rear diff, but let us pretend that that's not an option because I don't want to deal with that. If I had to guess, I'm thinking the right rear wheel bearing. The parking brake's on right now. That shouldn't be turning. I think we'll have to fix that later. Just taking a quick peek at the brake pads and they look good. With the wheels off, let's see if we can isolate the sound with the stethoscope. Here's the sound from the right rear. Kinda scratchy compared to the front. More smooth. The other two wheel bearings sound similar to the front. To me, this means that that right rear is likely the culprit. So I've already rotated these tires, and take note that the inside edge of this tire is getting more worn than the rest. Right now I have lowering springs, and that's putting a lot of camber in the rear that I'm not a fan of. I have this stud clean attachment for my drill. Very convenient, very great for cleaning the mating surfaces. It fits over the stud, and then I like to use it to get in between the studs as well. That's the sound of me clipping the caliper with my tool. Also like to use it to clean the rim as well. Even though we had the sound difference between the front and rear wheel bearing, I'm going to rotate the tires and just see if the sound moves. Okay, so let's take the car for a ride and see if there's a change. Well, the sound didn't change, so I guess in the next video we'll be doing a wheel bearing.